Dear students, Mathematics NCERT Chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry in MCQ series. In this video, we discuss about the 10 MCQs with the 4 option. You have to write down in a plain paper all the correct options, and after completing this video, you have to check your answer with the correct one. Okay, so let's start with the MCQ question number 1 for the chapter 9. Here is the question 1. If the length of the shadow of a tree is decreasing, then the angle of elevation is. Okay, so here is your option: increasing, decreasing, remain the same, or none of the above. So as per the given situation, you have to identify the correct one, either A, B, C or D, and write down the correct option in your paper for the question 1. Now for question 2, the angle of elevation of top of a building from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the building is 30 degree. The height of the building is. So as per the situation, you have to draw the figure in a rough page and try to identify the correct option as either 10 meter, 30 by root 3 meter, root 3 by 10 meters or 30 meters. So calculate and find out the angle of elevations, either correct form or A, B, C or D, and write down in your paper. So this is your questions 2 with 4 options. You identify the correct one. Now move on the question number 3. Here is the question 3. If the height of the building and distance from the building foots to a point is increased by 20%, then the angle of elevations on the top of the building. So you have to identify the angle of elevation on the top of the building for the given particular situation. So here is your option: increase, decrease, do not change, and none of the above. So calculate and identify the correct option, either A, B, C or D. Okay, now move on question number 4. If a tower 6 meter height casts a shadow of 2 root 3 meter long on the ground, then the sun elevation is. So here you can find for the particular situation what was the sun elevations. Is 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree or 90 degree. Okay, so find out the correct options, either A, B, C or D. Okay, now further proceed for the question number 5. Here is the question number 5. The angle of elevations of the top of the building 30 meter height from the foot of another building in the same plane is 60 degree. And also the angle of elevations of the top of the second tower from the foot of the first tower is 30 degree. Then the distance between two buildings is. So this is particularly purely calculative. You have to first calculate, draw the diagram first and then calculate. So option is either 10 root 3 meter or 15 root 3 meter, 12 root 3 meter and 36 meters. During the calculations of the examples, you have to pause the video, and after the calculations in rough page and identify the correct option, then and then it will be proceed the next. Okay, so here is the answer, maybe A, B, C or D. So write down the correct options. Now for the next questions, question number 6. The angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level is called. So you have to give a particular answer. Is the angle of elevation or angle of depression above, or none such angle is formed, or none of the above. So you identify the correct one, either A, B, C or D. So it will is D. So next question number 7. The angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being view is above the horizontal level is called. So this is definition point of view MCQs. So is the angle of elevations or angle of depreciation above, and no such angle is formed, and none of the above. So this is similar to question number 6. You have to identify the correct one, A, B, C or D, and write down in the plain paper. Now move for the question number 8. From a point on the ground which is 50 meter away from the foot of the tower, and the angle of elevations of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. The height of the tower standing straight is. So here is your option: 15 by root 3, 10 by root 3, 12 by root 3, 20 by root 3. So first of all, you draw the particular situation diagrams and then find out the calculations of height of tower for standing straight, and then compare with the ABCD options and find out the correct one, which one is the correct. Okay. Now next move on the question number 9. The line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point in the object view by the observer is said to be. So this is a particular situation. You have to identify the answers. The angle of elevations, it's called also angle of depreciation, or line of sight above, or none of these. So you can find out the which one is the correct one and write down in the paper, either A, B, C or D. Now the last questions, question number 10. The height or length of an object or the distance between two distant objects can be determined with the help of, your option is trigonometry and angles, trigonometry ratios, trigonometry identities, and none of the above. So you can find out the correct one, either they are A, B, C or D. So you have write down all the 10 correct answers. You just have to verify it with the correct answers which given in a next slide and compare it. Here is your answer for particular 1 to 10 in form of ABCD. So you just check it and correct it. Okay, thank you very much.